Hi friends, I'm Tech. You're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the draw tool in your Google Slides. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the draw tool in Google Slide, I just going to show in this short video. And if you just want to open the Google Slides, now you just need to see this toolbar. Here you can find the tool near the shapes. Just click on this drop menu and change to scribble. So after clicking on the scribble, you just scribble whatever that you like that. This is actually a draw, so you can just change the color of the line and also the weight of the line. You can just change to up to 16x like this, and you can also change the style of the line if you want, so like this. And you can change whenever you want by using this particular option, so you can see clearly. So if you needed to put a sign, you just use this scribble option. So I just making a sign like this, you just making a sign like this, and you can move the sign and also resize the sign if you want. So it's a scribble free tool, which is like a draw option on your scribble or draw option, whatever that you want. You can just use this. So this is how you just use this, and you can just change the style and also the shape like this. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.